In a traditional content delivery model, you've got essentially origin servers serving content to end users, and which is a terrific delivery model. The challenge is it's been expensive traditionally, which makes it very hard to create an economic model that works for content distributors and owners. And number two, it tends to deliver a fairly low quality experience for the end user. It might take you 8 hours to download a 2-hour movie. And what has happened over the last few years is you've seen a number of companies like ours embrace peer-assisted technology, which essentially is very well designed for long-form content. So whether it's being done in the file-sharing networks or in a secure environment like our customers are doing, what it essentially does is it creates a network of servers, which are other end users who have pieces of the content that you're looking for, who become distributors of that content to you as an end user. So you're getting a much faster download time as an end user, and you're typically going to get a much higher quality video in a much shorter period of time. From a content distributor and a content owner perspective, my costs are going down pretty considerably by as much as 30 or 40%, or in some cases more than that, because I'm not necessarily bearing all of the cost of directly distributing the content to the end user. So it's a pretty radically different model from the way content has been traditionally distributed. I would say the technology is proven. Again, Kontiki's in its 6th year of production, and you look at file sharing networks that have been around for years, proving out the peer-assisted model. Our platform is completely designed for secure DRM and copyright protected content, so it's not designed as a illegal file sharing platform at all, and it's not used for that at all. When the Kontiki and VeriSign platform is deployed, it's essentially a controlled environment. So I, as a distributor or a content owner, control the network of content that's being deployed out to end users. So it's not an open two-way conversation with content being pushed and content being uploaded back into the network by end users. It's a very controlled environment, and as a result, it's a secure environment. So for somebody who owns, a high-budget film or television programming or what have you, it's a very safe way to distribute content in a highly effective way because it's secure. All of those files are broken up and meta-tagged and then distributed out to end users, and frankly the whole network operates in a very controlled environment, which is very different from what you'd see in a file sharing network today. As we've taken Kontiki and layered it into the VeriSign content delivery platform, you've got a very robust kind of global infrastructure that's also utilizing peer-to-peer, which is a fairly new concept in the market. Obviously, we've seen other companies like Akamai look to try and adopt peer-assisted technology here in the last 12 months, but it's something that we've been at for quite some time now, and it's proven out in the success that we've had in the UK and here in the US with folks like AOL.